I'm going to show you guys my everyday brush routine for 360 waves in the morning. So if you guys are ready to see my morning routine, be sure to watch this video all the way to the end, and I'm going to get you guys hooked up. Let's get it.
I've been going crazy. Plug in, can't play me. Jesus done save me. Can't switch, won't sway me.
If you are a 540 waver and you want to show off your wave pattern, you need to check out my brand new design, the I Am a 540 Waver t-shirt design. I have two different versions. The first one having a wavy background behind the image, and the second version having a wavy image underlining the text. This design is perfect for my 540 fanatics out there, and of course we have multiple different colors and sizes to choose from and different kinds of apparel. So be sure to order yours today. I will leave the link in the description below. Thank you guys so much for your support. Peace. Alright, you guys, so the first thing that I do after I wake up and after thanking God for another amazing day is I brush my teeth. So before I brush any type of waves on my head, I'm getting my teeth right. There's no point in having 360 waves if your breath is kicking. So let's get it. And don't forget to use a tongue scraper as well. It's just as important. And once that's done, it's time to get started in the brush session. Let's hit this wave check. After evaluating my waves, I like to start off with my crown, and I'm going to hit my entire brush session with a soft brush. And I will explain why I'm only using a soft brush at the end of this video, so just keep watching. Now, for some of you who may be wondering how long my entire morning brush session lasts, if you include brushing my teeth and the tongue scraper and everything, it's usually around 10 minutes. So not a long brush session, just something to get the day started. After going over my waves with the brush and my hand, I'm going to grab that plastic bag and use the plastic bag method. This is going to keep my waves laid even more beyond just using a soft brush. For my finishing touch, I like to grab my crown brush and do a rotating clockwise position on my crown just to close up my crown and to really make it stand out. And as you guys can clearly see, once I'm done with all that, I then start to rag up like normal. Alright, so a couple of quick things. Number one, some of you guys may be wondering why I didn't do a full reset, like combing my waves out, then doing a hard, medium, and soft brush session. And that is for two reasons. Number one, once I unragged, my waves were already laid from when I did a hard reset the night before. And number two, when I do a reset, I like to apply products. And because I haven't gone to the gym yet, as I like to work out in the mornings, there's no point in me doing a hard reset, applying all those products when I'm about to go to the gym and sweat anyway. And this logic also applies to when I wash my face. I'm not about to go and wash my face and apply all my skincare products when I'm about to go to the gym and sweat them out anyway. So what I like to do, and you guys didn't see it in the video, but I like to do a light rinse session, then a soft brush session, assuming that my waves are laid, then go to the gym and then come back, etc., etc. But if some of you guys need help bouncing your waves back when you wake up and your do-rags off your head, be sure to check out this video right here. Be safe and salute to my wave troops. I'm out.